Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay.
What was I talking about?
My bags heavier than yours, and I always get better bags.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmessmommabusiness, and over here is my beautiful daughter Haley, which, by the way, she does have her own YouTube channel. Love Haley, listed down in the description box below. And on today's video, if you guys don't know, it is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Now, what this is like a Jerry Springer Maury Povich type of video. We knock down, drag out, we go totally ghetto, and we see who's got the best Ipsy bag. Are you ready for this?
Well,
what do they call it? A throwdown?
Hold down, throw down.
What? We know who's?
No, that's like a country thing.
Oh.
That's like a Hannah Montana song. You said throw down, and I'm just like singing the hold down, throw down in my head. Anyways, if you guys are coming from my channel, or if you have seen my videos recently on my channel, you guys already have seen what is in my bag in the whole explosion situation.
It exploded?
Mom doesn't know about it.
I did not watch it because y'all know, if you have been with my channel for a bit, I don't like to yeah, I won't peek. I love surprises, but I am like the most awkward person in the world when I receive surprises. I'm just like, oh, yay, thanks. Okay. I'm going to make a prediction right quick. I got the mail, so I know how much, like how mine feels weight-wise and how hers feels weight-wise. Hers felt heavier and much, much better than mine. Because if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a $10 a month service. It's a subscription service you receive every single month. Like I said, it's $10.
And it's customized to you, supposedly.
Supposedly, yeah. And I had to go in, oh goodness. What was I talking about?
My bag's heavier than yours, and I always get better
And I told you guys, I thought the biggest tip that I could give you guys that's going to give you a better fighting chance at a better bag is to lower your age. I'm pretty sure it didn't work for me this month, guys. I switched my profile. I put in there that I'm in my like early 20s, and then the rest that you see here, that's in there. I have normal combo skin, whatever, but I think that my bag isn't going to cut it this month. Shout out to Vicky for my Christmas card. Thank you, Vicky. And Amanda, also, thank you for my mug, because you guys have been seeing my mug in a lot of videos. Okay, so we've been interrupted a few times, so a quick recap. I put on my Ipsy profile that I am like early 20s, blonde hair, blue eyes, dry hair, normal to a little bit... Another interruption.
She potty?
Yep.
PM?
And you got a package from Walmart.
Okay. And normal combo skin.
Yeah.
Interrupted 500 times.
I have dry skin and dark hair and blue eyes and all that stuff. I'm pale, fair, whatever you want to call it.
And 18.
And I'm 18, yeah. Okay, now let's get in.
Moving along.
The actual stuff this time.
Ugh. Give us a thumbs up if you feel bad for us. Give us a thumbs down if you're just evil and mean and you're a Grinch. So, I am sassy, guys, because some of the comments have been coming in lately. I am like, not today, Satan. Not today. So.
Okay, let's go ahead and get in the bag. You want to go first?
Okay, yeah, whatever. You want to go?
Yeah, I want
Okay.
So, this is where the explosion came from. So I got 3 face masks. I still haven't cleaned them off, even though I said in my 2 videos that I would. I'm just really lazy, and I'm just taking care of a dog, and I'm just too tired to do it, okay?
Hashtag mom life for a doggy. For life.
For a dog. Okay, so I got 3 of these face masks from the Cream Shop. They're all limited edition. This first one is the Clarifying Peppermint Cocoa Sheet Mask, and it's infused with peppermint oil to treat troubled acne-prone skin. It looks like this. This one exploded. Then it exploded onto this one, which is the Oh Dear Detoxifying Lemon Sheet Mask, same brand, also limited edition. Then we have another one from the same brand, also limited edition. It also exploded onto this one, and this is the Let It Go Ultra Moisturizing Jojoba Oil Sheet Mask.
Dang, those are nice.
Yeah, and sticky.
Yeah.
Now let's...
Okay, so the card, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you.
Yeah.
Unless you're mean, then go away. Okay.
I think I left mine upstairs. Sorry.
Alright, so my first item is by Murad. This is a Renewing Eye Cream. I'm happy about that because here lately, because I told you guys my retinol is kind of drying out my under eye smidgen. So very, very happy with that. I gotta leave that dancing.
I know. My second item is this eyeshadow blending brush
That's
from
pretty.
Farrah. It is the 35E brush. It's just a nice
Ooh.
blendy brush.
I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so my next item is Fold Again by The Balm. Do you have this?
I have one of them, but I don't have redheaded.
This
I
is
have a
pretty,
one.
but I honestly think I have this in actually the palette I'm using today. I'm using the Dope palette by C-Color Cosmetics. Is it in this one? Yeah, right here. Boom! It is pretty doggone similar.
Yeah.
By the way, if I'm using this palette by C-Color Cosmetics and Around the World.
And then my next item, I think Mom already has this. This is the Steve Laurent lip oil in the color, or is this
Oh my
Orchid?
God. Yeah.
Okay, I kept calling it Orchard in my videos because I'm a ding dong. I was like, Orchid, it's Orchid, and then I was thinking about it. I'm like, that makes no sense. But anyways, it's a full-size lip oil. It's a pinky purple color. It's really nice and thick and moisturizing, and I wore it yesterday, and I really like it.
I need to find mine because that's actually really good. Holy guacamole, what is this? Lorenzi Cosmetics Lip Gloss is my next item.
It's in color
Curve. Oh.
Oh.
That's a bit too dark for me.
But
What? Oh, but it's a gloss.
I
Is that
know.
what you were going to
Yeah.
say? Okay, then maybe. Yeah, you're right, girl. Yeah, okay, I'll keep it.
Gosh darn doorbell. Smell good?
Does that smell like a Porta-John?
Porta-John.
Is that what they're called?
Porta potty.
Whatever.
No. But I get where you're kind of coming from.
It's like that
like it smells
air
like a urinal
freshener.
cake.
Yes.
Like slightly, but not really.
I'm not gonna swatch this. I don't think I'm gonna keep this.
I like the smell of it.
Do you really?
Yeah. It doesn't smell that much like a urinal cake, but like
Well,
slightly.
My sniffer's kind of broken, so it obviously doesn't smell like what I'm smelling.
Though you can't breathe that heavy behind the camera.
I know.
Bo wants to show you Lucy.
The dog
girl.
kept licking my face.
Aw.
Would you like to take her?
Hi, Lucy girl. This is my baby. I little Lucy.
Hi, world.
If you guys want to follow her on Instagram, it's at LOVLUCY_.
I love the shameless plug.
Oh, are you talking? You gonna stay for the rest of the video?
The self-promotion.
It's not self-promotion, it's a dog promotion. She's a cute puppy pup. I'm a cute puppy pup and I like to play.
She's
I
such
thought
a
that
sweet girl.
lipstick was green
Gray.
when you put it on.
Yep. I almost wore
It's like a
lipstick
blue gray.
today. Yeah. My next item is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I love this mascara, so I'm really excited about this. That's all I have to say about it.
Button.
Yeah, that's it. That's awesome.
My next item is AM to PM Lottie London. Oh, Casey Holmes talks about Lottie London.
Yeah.
And it just looks like it's a black eyeliner. So, not mad about that.
Mom loves a good eyeliner.
It's excited here. I have two more products.
My next thing is the Pacifica Rainbow Crystal Liquid Mineral Strobe in the Unicorn. And do you want to swatch this? It's like a all-over highlighter cream thing.
Oh, what? It's like white. We probably need to focus. It just bounced off of 3 different things to focus. Okay, so. Ooh.
We like her.
Is that what's on you? No.
love you,
Is that
Bill.
what's on your cheeks?
No.
Oh,
I have a Becca one on my cheeks.
Do you want a little highlight on you, girl?
You want some
This
makeup?
is like a duo-y.
Yeah.
That's cool. Can you guys see it?
You want Bubba? Mm-hmm. Here. Thank you. Be careful, careful. Just put her up under her belly, not her feet. Jeez. Jeez Louise. I love you. Mommy loves you. Bye. You gonna play? Are you gonna go play with her?
Yeah.
Oh, but it kind of like rubs.
Yeah, it kind of rubs away, so you have to kind of leave it. It gives like a nice
It's
sheen.
gone.
Yeah.
So the next item. Oh, yay! I got the same brush as you.
Twinsies.
I like it. Yay. Okay, so excited about that. So exactly like what Haley got. Oh, your turn.
Then the last thing I got is this Catrice Cosmetics eyeshadow in the color Luminous Lilac. It is a dark medium purple. It's not super opaque, but like It shows up, and you can layer it.
Oh, yeah.
So
that second layer looked much better.
So this is 3 layers. I don't know. I think it would be cool for like a nice, fun look. I'm really excited for Vlogmas to be over, so then I can take my time and make like nice, fun makeup looks again. I've been feeling so creative recently. Whoa, are we gonna grow broccoli?
Yeah, I heard it's an anti-age fighting thing.
Oh, I like broccoli.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Boom! What is this?
Ooh.
Sugar. Well, or sugar. Sugar contoured mini bronzer. Ooh. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna swatch that. Oh, it's real nice and light. I wouldn't know what a nice natural bronzer is or contour, just saying. But it'll work. If not, you can have it, because it might be more for your shade, you think? Or you think that might be too orange on you?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I'm not mad about it. Okay, go ahead. Final thoughts, Hale.
I really liked my bag. If you saw my Ipsy versus Sephora that went up today, then you guys know that I preferred my Ipsy over my Sephora Play this month. I was really excited about this. I love lip oils. I actually keep one in my car from LA Color. And this one, because that one's almost out, so I'm going to replace it with this one. Always can use a good blender brush, because, you know, I don't like cleaning my brushes. This is like good, I would say, probably just for just a swipe over your lid and mascara and go. This, favorite mascara, this mascara is awesome. I hope you guys got this in your bag too, because this stuff is thebomb.com. This, I could live without it, but I like it. Sheet masks, I say this every time I get sheet masks. I always forget to use sheet masks, and I'm kind of upset one of them exploded. But I think they're cute and Christmassy, and I might just have to do one with Belle for a Vlogmas video. I don't know.
Okay, so the thoughts on mine, although I don't think this is my favorite bag that I've gotten from Ipsy, I don't think it's horrible. You guys know I've had really horrible bags. So I am excited to try this. I think because this is a gloss, actually I'm not going to keep this. I'm not going to keep the gloss.
It doesn't smell that much like a porta potty. It smells like a florally thing, and they sent urinal cakes florally.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because
yeah.
Chit Chat, get ready, or Chit Chat, open our Ipsies and talk about urinal cakes with us.
That's gonna be the title.
Ipsy versus daughter.
Let's talk urinal cakes. I think that this is really pretty, but like I said, in my C Color Cosmetics Dope Palette, I have it. So I'm going to put this probably in a goodie bag giveaway for you guys, both of these products. Doesn't mean that like I said, I don't think that this bag was bad. I am very happy over these 3 products right here. The brush is like really soft, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. I like the fact that this is a nice eye cream, and I have dry under eyes right now, and of course a black liner. You can never, in my opinion, have too many. So
Mom doesn't sharpen her eyeliner.
Yeah. Oh, and this, the bronzer. I think it'll probably work. You know, I don't know. It might not be as harsh as what I like, but I'll make it work.
Like
I'll figure it out.
Natural day.
I don't know natural.
Oh.
I know either I look completely rough or I am completely chiseled. There's just no in between at all. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, or we hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, as well as don't forget to check Hailey's channel out. I'll have her listed down in my description box down below. Before I end today's video, I do want to make sure to give a Notification Squad shout out. If you want to be a part of the Notification Squad, it's really easy. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and turn that post notification bell on, and leave me a comment down below. Hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Team Hot Mess for a chance at a shout out in a future video. Today's Notification Squad shoutouts go to Lori Rosier, or Rosier? I don't know, because I can't enunciate to save my soul, and Deanie S. Thank you guys so much for having your notifications turned on, as well as leaving me a comment in today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget, I still have Glam Can giveaway going on right now, so I will have that video linked down below in the description box. Just make sure you're subscribed, and in that video, make sure to leave me the best way to get a hold of you, whether that be your email, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. And I think that's all.
No phone numbers.
Yeah, because I don't make calls. I'm really awkward. Anyways, until next time, guys, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye!